When solving an inequality, the first thing you want to do is simplify each side separately. That's like covering up one side and simplifying, and then covering up this other side and simplifying. Once you have each side simplified, you're ready to use addition and subtraction to move letters to one side and numbers to the other. When simplifying the left and the right side, we're going to need to use the distributive property. If I multiply -7 times positive u, I get -7v, v. And if I multiply -7 times positive 5, I get -35. Now the plus 40 right here, we're just going to bring that straight down. If I continue simplifying the left-hand side, you'll notice that I have some like terms. -35 and 40 are on the same side, so those can be put together. -35 and 40 make positive 5. So I'm bringing down the -7v and combining those to make 5. Okay, I need to simplify the right side as well. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. And then 5 multiplied by -v is -5v. These two are not like terms, so I can't simplify them anymore like I did over here, the two numbers I could put together. So I need to just bring those two down. Each side has been simplified, and I haven't done anything other than simplify. So I'm just bringing down my inequality symbol. Next, I'm going to move the letters to one side and numbers to the other. To make that stand out, I'm just color coding those. So the -7v and the -7v and the -5v, those are both letters. And then the +5 and the 15, those are numbers. So I'm going to move the purple ones, the letters, to the left, and the blue ones, the numbers, to the right. You use addition and subtraction to do that. So to get rid of this add 5, I'm going to subtract 5. What I do to the left, I'm going to do to the right. I want to move the purple ones to the left, my letters to the left, and that's a -5v. So to move that over, I'm going to add 5v. What I do to the right, I do to the left. And so what I now have over here on the left, that 5 got rid of that 5, so those are gone. And -7v and 5v make -2v. Over here, the 5v got rid of -5v. And so what I have left is 15 minus 5, which is 10. Our inequality symbol is just going to continue moving down. So I'm bringing that down. And then finally, now that I have letters on one side and numbers on the other, I'm ready to get rid of the number that v is being multiplied by. And to get rid of multiplication, I'm going to divide. So let's divide both sides by -2. But keep in mind that anytime you divide by a negative number, if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, this inequality symbol has got to flip over. So instead of having a greater than or equal to sign, I now have a less than or equal to sign. This -2 got rid of that -2, so v is going to be by itself. And +10 divided by -2 is -5. So quick recap is I cover up one side and I simplify. I did that in green. I cover up the other side and simplify. I did that in green. Then use addition and subtraction to move letters to one side, numbers to the other. You'll be left with a number next to a letter. And so to get rid of that, you'll divide by the number next to the letter. And just be careful that if you do multiply or divide by a negative number, then you've got to flip over your inequality symbol.